Now, this article is coming from the Motley Fool, Better Buy, Solana or Avalanche. Now, before we get into the article, I would have thought that they are both good buys for the next crypto bull market. So, Solana and Avalanche are supposed to be, or were supposed to be, Ethereum killers. They were down more than 90%, but have come back strong in 2023. Solana's up more than 100%, and Avalanche is up more than 60%. So, which blockchain would you think is the better buy? Leave me a comment. So, Solana has been losing momentum in the NFT market. They came out strong a year or two ago, especially when Sam Bankman-Fried came on the scene and supported Solana. But this article is saying if you check out the latest NFT trading volume, it looks like Solana's NFT collection has fallen off a cliff this quarter. Meanwhile, Ethereum's NFT collections are still going strong. If you are thinking of Bored Ape Yacht and CryptoPunks. So another big concern at Solana is the network outage. I've written several articles in the past and several videos in the past on Solana and its outages. Now, the one thing to know about Solana is that upon its launch and rise, um, the VCs, the venture capitalists, got in before um, retail investors. So that's just one thing to note. Relative to cryptocurrency in general, the retail investors have got in before the smart money got in. So it's still a good time to get into cryptos, as there are billions, trillions of dollars on the sideline on Wall Street waiting to get in. We just need a bit more regulations. All right. Um, so this article is saying though that one thing that can turn things around for Solana is the launch of their crypto phone, and it appears that's to be scheduled to be released uh, within the next couple of months. Now let's turn to Avalanche. While Solana seems to be going after the retail crypto market, Avalanche appears to be have its sights on institutional crypto market. So right off the back, that's kind of where I want to be. If you think about what moves markets, what moves price, it's big money. We don't move as retail investors. We don't move the markets. It's the big institution. So um, Avalanche gets a notch in the win column for me. But let's continue. Big financial institutions, including BlackRock and Citigroup, have been talking up enormous advantages of asset tokenization. So, the big thing about NFTs is that it's a use case for tokenization, and everything in the future will be tokenized. Um, your mortgage deed, your car insurance, everything, stocks, um, and it goes on to say, which is the process of converting assets such as stocks and bonds into digital tokens that can be stored, accessed, and traded on a blockchain. And the asset tokenization is something that Avalanche has made a priority. Avalanche lined up a big partnership with cloud computing unit of Amazon in an effort to bring blockchain services to corporations, big institutions, and governments. While Solana has clearly outperformed Avalanche this year in terms of price, I'm particularly concerned about Solana's slowing growth in areas such as NFTs. Avalanche seems to be growing behind the scene in ways that perhaps are not yet making headlines. While I'm bullish on both cryptos, right now Avalanche looks like the better long-term buy. And I'm going to agree just based on if they're targeting the big money. So let's go to the charts just to see what they look like. And this is a chart of the British pound JPY. I'm actually going to make a video right after this one to talk about the setup and how I analyze Forex. Alright, so let's look at Avalanche. Let's go to the monthly chart. So you had a drop in price, base, and then a strong move higher. So this is monthly demand. All right, let's go down to the weekly chart. I'm just going to mark off this wick on the monthly at $30. We get above 30, then it's smooth sailing to roughly 60. All right, let's go down to the weekly chart. Now, the reason why this level did not work, right? You have a rally in price, you have a base and candle, and then a rally. But look where it closed. It did not close above the pivot high to the left. So when price came back, this level got breached. So this green candle here is a green extended range candle, and look at the volume. So this is a buy area on the weekly chart. And that weekly zone is embedded within a monthly zone, making this level even stronger. We're going to say that's the weekly buyers zone at 1150. So on the monthly chart, I had marked up this $30 level. So you had a rally in price, you had a basing candle, a doji candle, indecision candle, and then you had a drop in price. This level was the origin of the strong move all the way down to $11. That's why I said you take out this level here, it's smooth sailing. So I don't think we need to go down any further. This is a great level to buy Avalanche if price gets back here. All right, let's check out Solana. Okay, so let's go to the monthly chart of Solana first. We can see that there's still bearish price action on the monthly chart. Let's go down to the weekly chart. Potentially we have, let's see, we got bearish divergence. We made a lower low, but the RSI made equal lows. We need to get above $36 though on Solana before we can potentially say that its price is reversing. We did get a crossover of the 13 and the 26 simple moving average, but this appears to be similar to Avalanche in terms of price action in recent months. So let's go down to the daily chart to see if there's any type of setup. I love this setup here. This was decent volume. That worked out just fine. So you had a daily buyer zone at $16. Had a rallying price, some basing candles, and a rally out. There's also another level below that. A rallying price, basing candles, and a rally out. So you got two levels to work with. Let's mark this off. We got a daily bias level at $16 and another one at $13. Those are the two setups on Solana. Let's just go back to Avalanche. And here's your setup on Avalanche on the weekly chart. So the technicals on both cryptos look similar. However, I agree with the article. I think Avalanche is the stronger play here for me based on institutional focus. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.